what motivated you to, start college with learning Yiddish?
Um, well, at the time, it was just an idea that I had, that it was something I could do. I I was interested in learning Yiddish as a way to study Jewish history and culture, and also to get a deeper understanding of the kind of Jewish literature that I'd come to enjoy. I thought that I might be using it for research if I do decide to go into that realm of scholarship or academia. But I think more than anything, really, those were reasons to justify wanting to learn Yiddish. I think it comes down to me just wanting a connection to um, the the family I had, the family and the culture and the heritage that had slipped out of my fingers.